Most men want to quit the masturbation forever, but they can't because they stuck into the same loop again and again and they don't know how to do that. So you don't have a masturbation problem, buddy. You have a system that make you fail every single time. But first question is that why do we keep masturbating even if we know it is very bad? So there will be four reasons that why we can't able to quit that. Let's find out first, like why we just do masturbation, right? Number one, dopamine reward system. So your brain run on a system called dopamine reward system. So when you do masturbation, there will be instant dopamine in your brain and it signal the brain that you haven't done any effort, that you haven't done any risk, and you guaranteed the pleasure. Your brain learn this thing. This is the easiest way to feel good. So even if you know it is bad, so your brain says, "Shut up, I want reward now." Right? So that's why you just keep doing masturbation again and again. Number two, habit loop. What does that mean? Let's check it out. So habit loop, it's you trained yourself to do masturbation. This is how you masturbate every time, right? So you got a trigger. So trigger will convert into the urge and you will lead the action which ultimately give you the regret. That creates a real life example. So you are in a room and you are feeling very bored. So while you getting bored, you got an urge called horny, right? You just very horny. So you just take an action of doing masturbation, and masturbation leads to a relief, but a lifetime regret. So now it's a part of your routine. Repeat this enough, it become automatically, and you don't even decide anymore that you have to do masturbation. Your brain ultimately do it for you. That's why you trained your brain to do bad things. Every single thing, right? Not about the masturbation, every single addiction. Environment is trash. Okay, environment is trash. So let's be real, bro. Your phone is always in your hand. You scroll social media while Instagram, right? Instagram is just now a soft porn. We everybody know about that, right? So there will be a porn site where you can lead with the hot models and you ultimately go to the porn site and then you ejaculate while laying on your bed before and after day sleep. So that's why you just go masturbation, right? But 90% of the people, 99% of the people relapse here. You we masturbate at same place at same point of the day. Think about yourself while you're doing masturbation. So you just lay on your bed and at night and at morning. So you will find out that at same place and same point of the day we do masturbate. So we need to break this pattern, bro. And I will tell you how you can do that. But firstly, let's make with the video, right? Number fourth reason is that avoiding something. Okay, what does that mean? Let's check it out. You're not avoiding, you're avoiding something. So you have a work to do, you want to watch that movie, you have a social interaction, but still you lie to themselves. You're getting bored, you're lonely, you're stressed, and you are avoiding work. That's why just find the distraction in a masturbation. It's just now not a sexual act. You find a distraction in masturbation. That's why you do it anyway. But never worry about that. I will tell you how you can stop the masturbation forever. And forever is nothing, bro. In limit, we can do that. If you rely on willpower to stop urges, you have already lost because you cannot able to fight those urges. It is biological. You don't eliminate them, you outplay them. Let's check out how you can outplay them. Do these four things only. Okay. Let's check out. And if you do these four things only, guys, you will never ever do masturbation. Like in 30 days, you can do only about 3 to 4 masturbation, which is, I guess, a very good progress. Let's check out what are those things. Understand the enemy. So if you stop fighting wrong, an urge is just a spike in your brain dopamine. So it rises, it peaks, it falls. So usually urges are about 5 to 20 minutes. So you weren't supposed to kill it. You're supposed to wait it without acting. So use a 10-minute rule. It I won't do it for 10 minutes. You got an urge like you have to do masturbation, you're feeling horny. Tell yourself, I won't do it for 10 minutes. It doesn't mean that you have to sit idle and wait for the urge to completely disappear. That's not the case. If you just sit idle, urge will overcome and you do masturbation. Instant urge killers will help you in that thing. What are urge killers? So do these five things. Push-ups. Do 10 to 20 push-ups when you got the urge. Stand up. Sitting where you are, just stand up. Go for a 5-minute walk. Cold shower. It will completely vanish the urges, right? Change the location. Even if you're in a bedroom, just change yourself and go to the outside or go to your mom or father room, right? 99% of the urges die if you don't feed them instantly, right? Don't need to fight it, just kill them, right? With these urges killer. Okay. Second, remove the fuel your biggest weakness. Instagram reels, random hot content, lying bed with phone, block adult sites. Remove those things completely. Make yourself that you only consume Instagram for 30 minutes, not on a bed only, right? Right? If you are not getting urges randomly, you're triggering them daily. That's why. So complete that urges. And while finding out the third reason, if you have come far in this video, I recommend you to like this video and subscribe this channel, guys. Right. Stop counting streak like a kid. Don't tell yourself that you are on a day 3 on a no fap or day 7 on a no fap. If you will do that, na, this will keep it in your head all the time. That you are a guy that who counting the streak that you haven't done masturbation. Why you are making this identity, bro? If your identity is like that, then you will not able to remove this habit. So become the guy who doesn't do it at all. That's why you can completely become a new person. Number 4. Never be ideal. This is where you lose. Most urges come when you're alone, bored, and doing nothing. So structure your day. Make a plan a night before the day. Structure your day that you have to go to the gym. You have to work on the skill that ultimately help you in achieving the success. You have to do social interaction, right? And if you can't able to focus on yourself, I will make a video on this, like how you can focus your brain even if you want to do hard things, don't want to do hard things. That's why you just have to see this video, right? And with these 4 things, will completely vanish all your urges. And just like this video and subscribe this, guys, because I'm making a more valuable content on self-improvement, because these things I have faces at all. So that's why I just giving you the knowledge that you can able to not able do those things that what I have done that mistake, right? And be the man, be the best, be the beast, be a masculine man. Check this video also, bro. Love you all. Bye.